So today I'm going to show you how to make pretty hard-boiled eggs. Why are they pretty? So you can put them in soups or on salads or make deviled eggs where the outer white part is nice and pretty for presentation. So as you can see, I've got the water already boiling, and to this I've added 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Vinegar will soften the shell a little bit, but it also helps retain everything together should the shell break. Now, the video part I'm actually going to speed up in some sections, just so that you don't have to spend 10 minutes watching the water boil. I like to lower them in using a spoon. That way they don't just drop in and get bounced and crack the shell. You want the water already boiling. I'm just doing 4 for this. Now I'm going to go ahead and boil these for 10 minutes. If you want them a little bit softer on the yolk, you can go a little bit less. Like I said, 10 minutes is what they're boiling for. We don't need to watch them. And now, as I pull them out, I've shut off the stove under the water. And now, I take an old jam jar, put a little bit of water in it. Not too much, just a little bit. It's going to have to be a bit of a squish. And I just take them straight from the water. I might pull the water off here because it's hot. Now, when you take it out, yes, they're extremely hot. You don't have to do that from here, but I am. You take the water, and you're going to want to tap the egg and crack the shell a little bit. And you want to do that on the blunt end. And then just put it straight into the jar, put a lid on it, and shake it a couple of times. Not super hard. This is the part that I had to learn manually. Lightly but strong enough to finish cracking the shell. And what it is the water will get under the membrane. And then it's just a matter of once you get the egg out of the jar, you did it enough, the shell is cracked over, it just slides right out. I'll do the next 3 a little bit quicker. What it is that little air gap that's formed on the blunt end allows you to get the water in and under. Just right off like that. And there you have 4 very pretty hard-boiled empty eggs. Great for potato salad, salad in general, ramen, and any other dish. Potato salad.